Good morning, students. Today we will start with question number 17, that is find national net domestic product at factor cost. So what is there to calculate? It is net domestic product at factor cost, NDPFC. So here first what to get, that is NDPFC. Now what method we need to use to solve this question? For that we need to look at the question once. It is rent, corporate tax, compensation of employees, interest, undistributed profit, dividend. All these are the part of income method. So this is a question of income method. Now what is the formula of income method? That is NDPFC. This is asked to us, is equal to compensation to employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income. Now compensation to employees, if we look at the question, compensation of employees, that is given here 900. Not any other benefit is given here to the employees, so we will calculate 900 here. Then operating surplus. Now in the question, operating surplus is neither given here nor in the back side. There are two heads given in the back side also, that is NFIA and income occurring to government. So both are not a part of operating surplus. Now because operating surplus is not given, so we need to calculate operating surplus. So we'll calculate operating surplus first, that is operating surplus is equal to rent plus interest plus profit. Now we should look for rent, interest and profit. So if we see, rent is given here 200, then interest 400, profit. Now if we see, undistributed profit is given but profit is not given here, so we'll put the value rent 200, interest 400. Now we'll calculate profit, because profit as a separate part is not given here. So the formula of profit is dividend plus corporate tax plus undistributed profit. Now we should look for all these. So dividend is given here 250, undistributed profit 50, and so 250, 50, and corporate tax. Now corporate tax is given here on fourth number, that is 100. Okay, so that makes is 400. We'll put the value here, that makes 1000 as operating surplus. Now what we need to do, we need to put the value of operating surplus here 1000 plus mixed income. Now we need to look for mixed income also in the question. Is mixed income given? If we see here, mixed income is not given here in question, so we will not calculate, will not write mixed income. Mixed income is cannot be calculated. It will be given to you in the question directly if it is there. So mixed income is not there, so it will be calculated as 0. So 1000 plus 900, that makes 900 crore. That is NDPFC, what we need to find in this question. So this is the question number 17. Now question number 18 on page number 120. If we see here with question number 18, here we are asked to calculate net national product at market price, that is what to get, that is net national product at market price, NNP MP. Now what method will use, that is now wages and assets given, undistributed profit given, rent, corporate tax, private income, interest in net tax. We can see wages and salaries, undistributed profit, rent, social security contribution, all these are the part of income method. So this is again a question of income method. The formula of income method is NDP FC is equal to compensation to employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income. Now compensation to employees. Compensation to employees as a separate part is not given here in the question. You will not be getting that here. So what we need to do, we need to calculate compensation to employees. Okay, so what are the part of compensation to employees given here? We should look once. Wages and salaries, this is given to employees. So first one is this. Then social security contribution, it is also for the employees, that is 250. So both will be calculated as the part of compensation to employees. So compensation to employees is equal to wages and salaries plus social security contribution, because it is done by employer. If it is from the side of employees, that is not calculated. अगर ये employees की side से होता तो वो calculate नहीं होता, ये employer है इसलिए ये calculate होगा. So social security contribution. Now we should look once that either any other part is given also. Personal tax, wages, salaries, undistributed profit, rent, corporate tax, private income, interest, net tax. Nothing is there which can be calculated as compensation to employees. So wages and salaries 1200, social security contribution 250. So 1200 and 250. That makes is 1450. Compensation to employees 1450. Now operating surplus. Operating surplus is also as a separate part, not given here. So we will calculate operating surplus. That is rent plus interest plus profit. Okay, rent is given here 300, interest 400 and profit 500. So 300, 400 and 500. Rent 300 plus interest 400 plus profit 500, that is 1200. So it will be counted here. Now if we see in the question, undistributed profit is given, corporate tax is given, but because we have added profit, so we will not calculate these items. If we do not have profit, then we calculate these items. Now the third is mixed income. We should see that whether mixed income is given here. Mixed income is not given here, so mixed income is not given in the question, so we will write 0 at its place. That's make it 2650. 50 plus 1200 is 2650, that is NDPFC. Now we need to calculate NNP MP, so our task is not done. We will calculate NP MP, that is NDPFC that we have. Now we need to calculate domestic into national, so plus NFIA, and we need to make factor cost at market price, so plus NIT. NDPFC we have calculated 2650 plus NFIA. It is given here as net factor income to abroad plus 20, and we need from abroad. To and from are opposite, so it will be minus 20. It will be minus 20 plus NIT. NIT net indirect tax is given here 300, so plus 300, that is 2950 minus 20, so it is 2930, that is NNP MP. So this is the question number 18. Now this is the question number 18. Now we will solve question number 19 on page number 120. So we should look for question number 19, what is being asked here. This is question number 19. Find gross national product at market price. What we need to find? Gross national product at market price. What to get? Gross national product at market price. Okay. What method we should use? So we should look once. Private final consumption expenditure, government final consumption expenditure. It means it is the question of expenditure method. So expenditure method. The formula of expenditure method is GDP MP is equal to private final consumption expenditure plus government final consumption expenditure plus investment expenditure fixed plus inventory both and plus net export. Okay, so private final consumption expenditure, private final consumption expenditure 800, government final consumption expenditure, that is 300. So 800 then 300 plus. Now investment expenditure, that both final and fixed and inventory. Fixed will see for the gross point of view. Now first we look for the investment expenditure, that is net domestic capital formation, that is investment, net domestic capital formation. Now it includes both the fixed as well as the inventory. So this is $200, net domestic capital formation 200. Now it is because it is net, so and we need gross investment, so what we do, we add depreciation with that, that is 100. Okay, so investment 200 net investment plus 100 depreciation plus this is investment expenditure plus net export, net imports is given here, that is 30. So net export would be minus 30. This makes it 1100. This makes it 1100 plus 300 minus 30, that is 1370, that is GDP MP. Now we have asked GNP MP, so GNP MP is equal to GDP MP. Now we need to convert domestic into national, so plus NFIA 1370 plus NFIA. NFIA net factor income to abroad is given here, that is minus 10. So from abroad will become plus 10, that is 1380 crores. This is GNP MP. This is the question number 19. Now it is your turn to solve some questions here. So I'll give you 4 questions. Question number 20, 21, 22, and 23. That you need to solve. We'll start next video when we meet from question number 24 on page number 122. Thank you.